Nah, Reed, you gotta reel it in and get it closer. Oh, he missed it. Throw it back there. You see him? Y'all got it zoomed in on the fish right now. We're gonna try to get a live. Oh, he's going for it. He's got it. He got it. That's a good one. He's ripping drag. It's a pretty good one. We're catching all these just on live bluegill. We've caught like 4 or 5 already. Just sight fishing them on these bluegill. That's a pretty good one. We're using pretty big old hooks too though. This is the size bluegill we're using pretty much. About that long. Reed, that one's about gone. Alright, we're gonna keep fishing and try to catch some more. Just keep filming. Another one. Same thing, live bluegill. Look at that. That's what we're using. We've caught like 6 already. This pond's pretty small though, what we're catching them on. But that's the size hook we're using compared to them. But we're gonna keep catching them. That's right here, right there. No! No! Oh! Oh! Wait, grab my phone. Wait, grab my phone. Wait, grab my phone. Shit.
I thought I was gonna get him, bro. That's the biggest one we've had.
I just caught this one, literally. He missed it and took off running with it. And I set the hook and didn't catch him. We threw right back down. He missed Reed's and then he ate mine. We've caught like 8 already, but these are some good fish in there. Oh, and they're mean. We're gonna keep catching them. I can't catch it. Loose Reed did. That's another good one. These fish are huge in here, dude. This is crazy. Look at that. One just hit under the boat. I don't even know what's going on anymore, but we're still catching all these big bass. I just filmed that whole cast net clip and the camera angle was at the wrong way. But we just caught some more.
It's like the cast net in slow motion?
No, hook sets.
What if you did that too?
Yeah, we could, probably. More bait. Hooking your bait fish 101. So, what we do, drop the fish. We just go right to the top of the mouth of it. How do you feel after today, catching these big old 5-pounders a piece?
Good.
Good.
They won't bite now.
Ah! My cat! My cat! My cat! No, my cat!
Yeah. Let him jump in the water. Throw him in the water. Throw him in the water.
So big fish.
Catch him. Throw him in the water.
So big fish.
Throw him.
He's gonna get eaten.
That's the verdict. He's gonna get eaten.
Hoyt, did you catch him?
Yeah.
Hoyt, there's a werewolf right over there. You see him?
I headbutted it. No, it's gone.
Hoyt, what is that? Hoyt, go chase it. Go chase it. Go chase it.